What's up, guys? Hold up, before you start anything, let me do it. What's up, guys? This is part 2 of the video that I'm posting now. Um, well, I don't know exactly what he's finna do right now. He's gonna be involved pretty soon, so we're just gonna see how this goes. Alright, let's get it.
That's why I'm just gonna walk around and see something that's valuable that I can take. I can just shoot up, but then again,
shit.
I don't want to get immediately killed. So, oh, that was an indication that I just picked up instantly. Okay, it's time to get behind the door then. What's up, y'all? Okay, I'm using.
Let's get it.
Don't come up in here. I can see y'all. Wrong thing to do. It says authorized personnel only. They looking for me. And I got 3. How the heck I get 3 stars? Oh. Walking in the facility, which is I wasn't supposed to be in. Oh, because I was right by the helicopter. I can just easy take off in it.
They're coming. Up, here it goes. Ooh. I told you we're gonna start. What kind of gun are you using, bud?
Pump shot.
Yes, sir.
They'll come up in here. Oh, that was glitch.
Look at Franklin badass. Ooh. That was a bad case of facionitis.
Oh. Kill 2 birds with 1 stone, huh? Oh, they bringing in SWAT now. That's what I'm talking about.
Are you finna surrender?
No, I'm not finna surrender. Oh, straight to the chest. Don't do anything stupid, y'all.
They always commit something stupid. They want you dead. We would have been dead.
Since they come up in here, it's a wrap.
Ooh, kill 3 bones with 1 stone.
Nearly. Well, that's what they gotta do. I mean,
He got 4 stars on him.
I'm finna have 5. See how long I'm gonna last.
He's a well broker on this game.
Ooh, face shot. That was so brutal.
What's your name gonna be on GTA 5
On Blackout 26.
Tell it to the camera. This
Blackout 26.
This will be his gaming profile on YouTube pretty soon. So I'm just gonna let you know. Yep, failure. Expose. Oh, we got it fixed.
Oh no.
Back to action.
Dang it. I think it's the batteries.
Oh, snap. We're going low.
I'm gonna hurry up and run back to where I was. I don't get blown up or get shot.
Oh, we having technical.
We got technical issues.
We got technical issues, guys. Well, I can say my remote don't work. Don't do that.
Go.
It's a non-sequence.
I got more ammo. There we go. Yes. Oh damn.
Bodies after bodies after bodies, guys.
Oh no.
I can tell you one thing. No one has the authority to try to take him down without his permission.
Now anyone tries to take me down, it's a wrap because you gonna get shot in your dome.
Look, say
Simple as that.
say it to the camera.
As soon as you try to take me down, it's gonna be a wrap. Boom, straight to your dome.
Yes, sir. You know we the real steppers in this joint. So anything go to
Yo! Damn it. I
Huh?
lasted the 5 stars. I'm gonna try it again.
Well, guys, he's a dunno. Ah, beast.